How to cook with plant-based proteins. Add cooked beans into salads, soups, stews, sandwiches, wraps, pasta dishes. Make bean burgers by mixing ground beans with breadcrumbs, spices, and other ingredients. Replace white rice with brown rice or wild rice. Use whole wheat and millets. Make sambar, dal, sundal. Snacks with lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans. These legumes have high amounts of fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Use nuts like almonds, walnuts, pecans, peanuts. Bake cookies, cakes and crackers. Include vegetables in your meals throughout the day. Choose from green leafy ones, yellow and orange ones, and red ones. All three types help boost immunity and fight cancer. Eat fruits whenever possible. They taste delicious. They also supply important nutrients including antioxidants, potassium, and dietary fiber. Go plant-based. Prevent, reverse, and treat lifestyle diseases.